Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So customizing the toolbar in Goodnotes helps you work faster by keeping your most used tools and settings exactly where you need them. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to customize the toolbar in Goodnotes in 2026 for maximum efficiency and comfort. First thing, open a notebook and access the toolbar. So open any notebook, okay? Look at the top toolbar, okay? This is where all tools are located. Tap the pen tool, for example, okay, adjust color, any color, for example, and thickness, for example, style, or save or use preset. So quickly switch between writing styles. Add and manage colors. So tap a color cycle, okay, choose or create costume color. Keep frequently used colors ready, okay, great for highlighting and organization. So you have to make as much colors as you want that you will need them, okay. Rearrange toolbar items if available. In some versions, tap and hold a tool, okay, and you can drag to reposition, okay. Place most used toolbar tools closer, okay. Not all versions support full rearranging, okay. You can use keep tool selected for efficiency. To tap a tool twice, enable keep tool selected. Prevent switching back repeatedly, okay. It's ideal for writing or typing sessions, okay. So that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.